Uh, yeah, I don't know. I haven't really done Linux much, so uh, I'm still a beginner, but still try. But yeah, I use Pop! OS and been using it since September, which is crazy to think about because like, what, that's 6 months already. I'm 6 months in of using it, half a year. Doesn't seem right, does it? At all. But yeah, I use Pop! OS, but I haven't really been on Cosmic at all, like one bit. And this is like a beginner insight from my end because I just don't do anything else. I'm not gonna bother polishing the video. I'm just gonna go through it and just upload. No cuts and anything. I'll go through the video and like see if there's anything audio wrong or too quiet. But yeah, I just yeah, just Linux. Um, so the first thing is when you start Linux, you pick your distro. So obviously, there's if you're NVIDIA, I'd recommend going with Pop! OS because that it's just plain and simple. I got the worst luck out of everyone, in my opinion. So I went on Linux Mint. First thing, I tried that because I was used to it, and I tried it when it was on 19.3, and it just didn't work. I got both monitors working on Novell for the open source NVIDIA drivers. But as soon as I tried the NVIDIA 580, 570, whatever it was, it just wouldn't cut it. It was just like scream errors because I can't. I dual monitor with a TV as my secondary monitor. I also have NVIDIA graphics card, so it does not work. Oh, and that's when I had to search for an alternative, and I just searched up um uh 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 first Linux for dual monitors. Dual monitors, search for that as well. Dual monitors and use mainly decision amounts. It was probably just a me thing. I had issues, but yeah, it was this bizarre Kanshi and KD. Honestly, I didn't do that. I just literally searched it up, and it was just like I don't really know where I found it first. I was definitely Reddit, but uh, yeah, I don't know. Uh, yeah, I don't know where I saw it in one of these ones, but I saw it and I just chose it. See, yeah, it's like one of these where it's this Pop! OS. Everyone keeps saying like bad side, but I never really bothered because I didn't want to. I didn't like how it says immutable. Not because I think of it. Well, I did think of it as Windows, but it just didn't work. It doesn't work for me. I want to be able to destroy it, so I know what I'm doing because I don't want to be like, you got this, you got this to do, you got here, you got this error in this blue area, you got like no, I'm not gonna just like say there's an error and like, oh, you can't do that. Like, obviously, it probably isn't like that, but I'm not gonna bother. So yeah, you know, 16 Windows games. Honestly, no idea. See, one Pop! OS, boom, done, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. honestly. But if you were to choose Pop! OS, in my eyes, I'd recommend as soon as you get it, for Pop! OS, you should just there was a command I found six that's that on Reddit that was 6 years old, and it was like to update should have to install uh uh upgrade Reddit I don't know. It was in a comment somewhere where I swear it was a comment 6 years ago. Is it this? No, no, it's not that. It definitely wasn't that. It was like something like this. I'm not. I don't know. I should have saved it sometime, but I didn't because I was like, oh my god, I finally fixed it. But the issue was with my Pop! OS at the start, obviously because it was not upgradable, since it was like low too busy doing Cosmic at the time. But I didn't even know about Cosmic at that time. I think it was this, something like that. But obviously there's way more. And if you want Pop! OS, I'd recommend following this of the Cosmic Epoch. Um, Not because you'd want to upgrade, but because you'd want to install the Cosmic app, the Cosmic Store. The Pop Shop, get rid of it. Or you saw somewhere. Pop! OS. Let's go to images. This thing. This little thing there. With the rocket. If I can get. It's this. Yeah, this one. Fine, I'll just do this. There you go. Bing, bang, boom. Okay. Pop Shop. If you get this, uninstall it. Remove it up, get remove, and then yeah, you just do this. So yeah, you'd follow this, and yeah, that's how you get rid of Pop Shop, and then you'd install the Cosmic Store, and then it just works. You can just use it, look through all the stuff, and yeah, it just does its thing, and then hey, I'm not professional. I'm still rubbish at all this. Hey, but I got a few stuff on also Flame Shot. Um, it's good, but I'd recommend the other one that I have, which is Spectacle. Spectacle is better because one, well, I don't know if Flame Shot has it, but in here you can delay it 3 seconds, so you can instantly like take a screenshot and because the delay is 3 seconds, it gives you a couple of seconds, as it says, to open the thing you want and then screenshot it, and then and it freezes the whole desktop, and then you can screenshot all the way to wherever you want to, or do this and screenshot the whole thing like that. But yeah, and then you can just, like I did, like this one. It's just, I could screenshot that if I wanted to, but I'm not gonna bother. But you can do that in OBS. I'm recording with that right now, as you can see. But yeah, I still haven't So I think that's just an issue with PopOS that you can't tab out from the bottom bar. You have to do that. But either way, it still works. And I haven't really tried any other stuff really, if it makes sense. That like probably be helpful, and I haven't installed many things. It's just a great system, and also this is Roblox if you wanted to play it. Steam as always. I haven't really tried the emulators because I haven't had no reason to. But yeah, Steam Link is really good. Sometimes if your internet is really bad, then just don't bother because it's just gonna lag like crazy. But yeah, there's a bunch of other stuff that I would like to try, but you know, I wanted to get this stuff working, but I installed it, but it didn't run at all. But I think that's just a me issue. Couldn't get it working, and obviously Minecraft as well. But yeah, I didn't even know that I was playing still. Oh well. And then files. I haven't changed the files at all. You know. Uh, it just doesn't really make sense to do so. And you can, cause as you can go in here, just copy, paste, command, do that Cosmic Edit, Files, Player, Cosmic Storage I already have, and Cosmic Terminal, I'm assuming. But I'm not going to do that because I already have what I want. And then also just go to, you can also do this with VirtualBox. It's a way to emulate, well not emulate, but um, make a operating system inside an operating system, which is good because then you can test stuff out and like, oh, this thing doesn't work in here, or like it's just not working properly. Then if it just doesn't work, you can just open it up or like create a new one, like, or you want to just test it out without having to actually go in. So this is PopOS 2404, and if I were to open it, I could just, you know, bing bada boom, got 2404 instead of this to show, and I can just, but this one I wanted to show. So I'm gonna open this one first. Yeah. Taking a while. But as I said, you can operate an operating system inside another one. And I think the issue is here. Bing bada boom. That should maybe fix it. Alright. Don't know what to do. That's just, I'm just gonna wait for it. I'll show. Oh, there you go. Now I can full screen it. But yeah, you can operate operating system work inside here with VirtualBox. I haven't tried the others, but yeah, do that. So as I said, probably terminal. That's probably what this was. To get this, Cosmic Store, Cosmic Terminal, and this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm assuming that was the 5 in there. But anyway, you get that as a starter pack for it if you install it. And System Monitor, you can use System Monitor, but I'd recommend against it. Sometimes, like if you're it's, well, not exactly against it, but it's more like if you're used to Windows and you like this is cool and all, but like Mission Center is just the way to go sometimes. If you're used to Windows, obviously. If you don't really care about the Windows stuff or how things look, then you can go here, or there's the HShop one, but I haven't installed on here sadly somehow. Maybe it isn't in there, but whatever. Maybe it's in the maybe it's already in. No, yeah. Copy, paste. Yeah, fetching. Once it's done that, you can start doing stuff. Basically, it's just a terminal way of showing system. Like that. And you can just see it. See much RAM usage. 1.53 gigs. Not bad. And this is a fresh install of Pop! OS, basically. And this is pretty good considering what you normally get. Like 2 or 3 gigs on startup for Pop! OS 2204. But that's probably because it's used to be in Ubuntu. And then with Pop! OS having their gimmicks installed to make it look how they want it instead of, you know, how they designed it. And this is just the way they do it. Yeah. It's pretty neat. You can do that instead of this. Or if you like this more, you can just, you know, still got to drive out the kinks to make it work. But it worked pretty well. Yeah, got this, and that's basically what this one is. And what I wanted to really show is how you can do other stuff with Cosmic. As I showed earlier on that browser, you can go in the browser and bing bada boom, start this, and you can basically make whatever you want for it. Oh, did I open the wrong one again? I don't know anymore. I won't pay attention. Yeah, oopsies. Oh, yes. There you go. Control F. There you go. There you go. Start here. Yeah. Once this is done, go in. And because of what I did with Pop! OS, I'll go back. I'll go here. Where is it? There's an Arch. Installing on Arch Linux. You can do Pacman as Cosmic Session or Pacman as Cosmic, or -S, capital S as well. And obviously, as you log out of the system, you can just show this is the Arch. Doesn't seem like it, but because I logged in, I got this. And you can tell by Linear Customize, Tune, GUI, so on and so forth. This system, Kitty, you know, HShop's installed already, which is what's crazy about. And then utilities, you got the Arch, got all this console, all of the stuff for this to me as a joke. And just to do that, and switch out. Luckily, I figured it out. It's actually simple. Go here, go to here, go there, and you can just go GNOME Classic or GNOME, click GNOME, and then log back in. I think this is one of the best things about Linux, is that you can just change out the environment, unlike Windows. I imagine Windows had the same thing. When you log in, you can change it to whatever you want and have all the same security benefits and everything. It just looks like old Windows. Like, wouldn't you want that? This is what this would be. And yeah, all the updates. I can't see you. What the hell? There you go. There you go. Yeah, update done. Bing bada boom. And yeah, it's clean. It's good. You know, settings. Bing, bang, boom. I don't know why it's this 1,000. I'm assuming that is correct in the first place. I'm at 100 megabytes. This is 1,000 megabits. So yeah. Appearance, dark. Change wallpaper. Do that. It's so much customization. I haven't done KDE. I could do KDE on here, but you know. Log out. There probably is other stuff that I could do, but yeah, there's a bunch of other stuff that I could do. Like this is nice, so applications, Cosmic Terminal. Okay, let's go. I think it should be like that. But yeah, Pac-Man. Yeah, basically. Honestly, I probably should have done this in the first place. Honestly, I know it's a joke one, but you know, would be funny. I don't think it has this, does it? No? Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's just a joke one. I just thought it'd be funny to use as a thing. But yeah, you got this. There are other things I could do, but this is like I'm still like a beginner because well, I don't know all the commands, or you're not meant to know because you can still just search them up. It's all about getting used to practice with it. Everything's about practice, sadly. But yeah, you can go in, do this stuff, and yeah, create your own one. I should do that as well, shouldn't I? Okay. You can go new, whether here's the ISO image. Select the one you want. I'll go into here. Go into here, select whatever you want, and just go in, look at it. Okay, this is what it is. Okay, cool. And you just pick a random one that you want to use. You know. There. I'm just doing that because it makes it easier. Garuda is, I'm assuming it's Debian or Ubuntu, whatever. It doesn't matter to me. Well, because I'm not exactly, I don't know it all and all that. 8192, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Data 4. And let's give it 40. Might as well. It's fun. And then settings. Not exactly settings, but go to here. Slap that to 256. I want to try optical drive. I don't know why is the optical drive on here empty? You know. No, it's going. Settings. I'm using it still, huh? Okay, whatever. Either way, optical drive is empty for some reason. I don't know, don't matter. There, optical, there, boom. Okay. Then I can start with GUI, create the system, Control F to open it in full screen. Oh, right control F I meant. Not left control, it's right control. Booting. Let's do this. I'll wait. Let's get in there. But yeah, I haven't really bothered with this. I just have it here. Don't know why I tried to choose to do this and still go to Linux. There you go. I'll leave it as it is. I don't really care. Oh, or swap because it's not my engine. While it does that, we can go elsewhere. It does its thing. Okay, I don't know why Rani is still here. I'll put these on both sides then. Oh. Did it not do that? Okay, maybe not. Oh well, I'll just leave it there then. Boom. Good enough. And then, while I'm here, hello. I'm going to play. Ah, got these games. Not settings, it's play this game, the game. Why I want to do all that. First one. So how I got these, I go by. Alright, so if I go to plug in here, first one, QT up QT. Then I can use this, go to here. First one Flatpak, that's the one I used. Which is why all this stuff is here. That's why I could change it all to that. And close. So Proton, go up to here, add version. So it's already GE, there's Cache one. I'd recommend these two I'd recommend GE Proton and Proton CashOS because they're really good for compatibility layers. And yeah, it just works like that. And you can use it, put it in for Wine. And I'd recommend if you were to be playing these games and you weren't going to uninstall them or change anything out of them, I'd recommend putting your Wine folders, at the Absolute Game. No, not that one. Well, either way, for the Wine prefix, you go in, it's basically here. How it works is when you make the game or whatever, and you do it. So Wine prefix folder. When you're creating it, well, when you're creating it, you go into it. Okay, I can't even do anything. And go into games, and you go into here. So when you go in here, you create one prefix. How I do that, create, choose a folder, and then that's what your prefix folder will be. Alright, and because of that, you can just do it all. I'm not good with words for it to be like I was hoping it's simple, but yeah, you can do this, install stuff on here, make it easy for yourself. Um, I don't really know what else I could say, to be honest. I guess it's just have to get used to it. It's not a tutorial. It's just uh my thoughts on how all this is. Like honestly, it's just really good. It's enjoyable. It's so much fun doing this stuff as well, because you're not just limited to one system. And as I showed you, you could just install your own one and just do this. You can do this for Arch, Fedora, Sudo, Cosmic Environment. Obviously, you just read the soul out. You don't have to actually read it all, but if you want to, you can. And yeah, just really, really good. I don't even know how it works properly, but hey, you can just do this, and then that's basically what this is. And Cosmic Stalks, content settings, sessions, and all that. It's amazing. Like, I should be doing this, but I haven't done it yet. And so, due to dependencies requirements, what I'm on. But thankfully, the individual ones work on it. I don't know what to say anymore. I think that was it. Well, because I'm still indecisive on how to say things. And obviously, if you're not on KDE, I'd recommend getting KDE Connect. If you're ever to want to share files between your phone and your computer, and if you were to make sure to, when you're using KDE Connect, you connect it, and when you pair it, make sure whether you're sending from your computer, not your phone, but from your computer to your phone or any other device. I recommend you have everything you want, zip it into a file, into a zip file, and then send it off to where you're sending it to, and then unzip it so it works how you want it to. Because I don't know how else it is, but whenever I do KDE Connect, it just does not want to work properly. And yeah, that's beautiful though. and I'll be seeing you another time.